Okay, next problem. The line joining the points. The line joining the points 2, 1 and 5 minus 8 is trisected at the points P and Q. At the points P and Q. The point P lies on line 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Then find the value of k. Find the value of k. Also find the points P and Q. Also find the point P and Q. Now solution. The line joining the points, let these are points A, 2, 1 and B, 5 minus 8. Now trisected at point P and Q. Line is passing through the point P. Now this line is 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Now let the coordinate of P is x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2. Let the point P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. 1:2. Therefore, x1 equal to 5 plus 4 upon 1 plus 2, and this is equal to 3. Similarly, y1 equal to 1 multiplied by minus 8 plus 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1 plus 2. So this is equal to minus 2. So point P is 3 minus 2. P is 3 minus 2. Now point P lies on line 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Therefore 2 multiplied by 3 minus y is minus 2 plus k equal to 0. So 6 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. Therefore k equal to minus 8. The value of k is minus 8. Now we have to find also the coordinates of point Q. Q is midpoint of PB. Therefore x2 is equal to 3 plus 5 upon 2 equal to 4, and y2 is equal to minus 2 minus 8 upon 2. Minus 2 minus 8 upon 2 equal to minus 5. So point Q is 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. So we will find k equal to minus 8, P is equal to 3 minus 2 and Q is 4 minus 5. Now next topic, area of triangle. Area of triangle. Now area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC with vertices A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 is given by the formula area equal to half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this is the formula for area of triangle. Now proof. Now this is origin, x-axis, y-axis. Now this point is A, B and C. Now this is triangle ABC. Coordinate of A is x1 y1, coordinate of B is x2 y2 and coordinate of C is x3 y3. Now triangle ABC. Now this is triangle ABC. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. Now draw a perpendicular from here on x-axis. Suppose this is L, M and N. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapezium ABLM plus area of trapezium AMNC minus area of trapezium BLNC. If we add the area of trapezium ABLM and AMNC and subtract the area of trapezium BLNC, then we can find the area of triangle. Now area of trapezium half sum of parallel sides. Now sum of parallel sides is y2 plus y1 and height is x1 minus x2 plus. Now area of trapezium AMNC half sum of parallel sides is y1 plus y3. Now distance between these two parallel sides is x3 minus x1 minus area of trapezium BLNC half y2 plus y3 and distance between them is x3 minus x2. Now if we take the coefficient of x1, then it will be y2 plus y1 minus y1 minus y3. Now plus x2 minus y2 minus y1 minus y2 minus y1 and plus y2 plus y3 and the coefficient of x3, this will be y1 plus y3 minus y2 minus y3. So this will give us equal to half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and plus x3 y1 minus y2. So this is the area of triangle ABC. x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2.